Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you came up with answer B, congratulations, give yourself a pat on the back. If you'd like to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. I'm going to zoom in on the diagram and then we'll start. So we have a pivoted meter rule that is supported in equilibrium horizontally by a thread inclined at 30 degrees to the vertical. The three forces acting on it are its weight, which I know is acting downwards, the tension in the thread, T, and the reaction force of the pivot. Well, it's a little bit difficult to work out the reaction force directly, but what I do know is if the object is in equilibrium, then any forces acting on it, or any three forces acting on it, when they're put together, will form a closed force triangle, showing that the resultant force is zero. So I could put together these three forces. I shouldn't have put reaction there, I should have put tension, and make them form a closed triangle because we know that the meter rule is in equilibrium. So let's start off with that tension. I know exactly the direction of the tension. It's at 30 degrees. I know the weight of the direction of the weight. That's vertically downwards. And the only way I can complete this force triangle is if I produce, or if I put the reaction force in that direction. Now, I don't know the exact size, the exact magnitude of the tension, the weight, and the reaction force, but I do know these have to be the approximate directions of each of the three forces. So if I zoom out, we can see that my force triangle is pretty much the same as triangle B. The reason A is not correct is because the reaction force is acting in the wrong direction. It doesn't actually, the arrows haven't been put end to end. If you look on the correct one, all the arrows run in a loop. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and leave a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more of these videos in the series.